YouTube, welcome back to my channel. About a week ago, I was contacted by a very nice lady named Tabatha who sells Perfectly Posh products, and she wanted me to try out a few things. So of course I jumped at the chance, but I did ask her to send me like the website so I could check it out because I had never heard of Perfectly Posh before. When I checked it out, the products look absolutely amazing. And what she did was sent me 3 of her favorite items, and I am going to share them with you today. She did agree that I could put her information in the description box, so in case you're interested, you can check the products out as well. The first thing she sent me, I already put on my hands, and the smell is amazing. You can smell the honey in it, and it is called the Perfectly Posh Believe Whole Hive Complex Beautiful. It says helps calm irritated skin with Manuka honey, and it is a hand cream, and this is what it looks like. So I put that on my hands because my hands were definitely dry from washing them like 1,000 times today at work. So that's going to go in my bag. It is actually 3 fluid ounces, which is a decent size. That should last me for a while. She also sent me the whole Lava Love charcoal powder and volcanic ash. It says it's a volcanic ash exfoliator. This is a vegan product. It says with globally sourced materials, and it's made in the USA. It says charcoal powder and volcanic ash exfoliate and clean your skin with a fresh. This is what happens to me when I try to film after work. With a fresh tea tree and mint fragrance. Apply a small amount to damp skin in a circular motion. Rinse thoroughly and moisturize. This has a seal on it, but I want to see what it smells like. I definitely don't mind the smell of tea tree. I use it almost every day. But we are going... Yes! You see how black that is? Oh. Oh. And the mint sort of kind of calms that tea tree smell, so it smells mostly minty to me. I cannot wait to try that either. The last thing she sent me, let's see, it comes with a dropper, and this is called Nothing Phases Me Anti-Gravity Cholesterol Face Serum. Natural cholesterol crystals for elasticity, liquid charcoal for pollution protection, and hyaluronic acid for moisture. You get 0.96 fluid ounces or 28.5 milliliters. This is also a vegan product. And it says promote elasticity and more vibrant, healthy looking skin with this innovative blend of natural vegan cholesterol encapsulated in liquid crystals. Charcoal to help remove and protect skin from free radical pollutants. Vitamin C to brighten, and hyaluronic acid and sodium hyaluronate to deliver double the dose of moisture. Oil-free, silicone-free, and fragrance-free. Let's see. So it says you use this after your toner. And we're going to take that out. And this is very pretty. I am going to take this label off, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is really pretty. It almost looks like the night sky with stars in it, but that is what the front of it looks like. It comes in a very nice glass bottle. I'm going to take this top off, and it is fragrance free. I don't know why I'm smelling it, and I'm going to put the dropper in it. So that is what you get. This is really nice. And I am actually going to like drop just a drop of it on the back of my hand. I want to know if it has that good serum-y. Yes. It has that nice serum-y feel to it. Like it feels really slick, like it's really going to moisturize my face. But it's not like an oily thing. It feels like it's going to absorb right into my skin. I can't wait. I'm like excited by the things that she sent me. And then with the order, they sent me 2 little samples. They sent me a hydrating face cream, Never Grow Up, and a face serum from the Never Grow Up line also. So that is it. This is the things that she sent me. Thank you so much, Tabatha, for sending the items to me. I already know this one is going to go in my purse because I like the way my hands feel and I love the smell of it. This one is going to go on my dresser tonight because I'm going to start using it. And I can't wait. Like, let's see, the last time I exfoliated was last week. So I'm going to try this tonight. I am going to give the serum and the exfoliator a few weeks, maybe 3 weeks or so, to see how they work, and I'll come back and give you all an update on it. Thank you once again, Tabatha, for sending me the items. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, you all, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye.